Hey, welcome to the day in the life of a cosplayer. So today I'm gonna be cosplaying someone that you may know from Ace Attorney. So keep on watching. This is my little studio, home studio, with my little Poke wall. And you may recognize this piece. So this is a little basket with all the props I'm gonna use and some of the makeup that I'm gonna use and my switch for the reference pictures. So yeah, I better get ready and start filming this cosplay video. Okay, so now I'm prepping my camera. Okay, so okay. So right now I'm adjusting my camera settings and light. So this is a little mirror station that I have with some makeup and extra things like lenses. And this is gonna be my setup today. So I'm gonna use my camera here and this little table. I felt like sitting on my cushions today. Lately I've been sitting either on my desk or just standing in front of this for my other channel. So yeah, now I gotta do some testing and once I'm ready I can start shooting. Also, because I'm doing all the photography myself, I also have a strobe. This is my little strobe and it's connected to this. Ta-da! And I usually use a controller to take photo shoots myself. So yeah, this is still too high, so I'm like, good. adjust this light with my phone. Testing again. I always forget about my tea. So it starts very hot and I can't drink it, and then it's just about still warm enough to drink it. Okay, now background lights. Okay, now I feel like this light is a bit too low. Okay, let's see what this looks like. It's like that. Okay, I still feel like it's missing one more light. I'm gonna use this little one. Let's try this. Okay, so now it should be ready. Now all I have to do is check my test footage on my computer, and then I can start shooting. Okay, so I like the look of my test videos, so now I'm ready to start filming. Okay, now I just have to make sure I have everything that I need, like a little bin and my mirror. Okay, so I'm getting my final little things ready with like tissues. This mirror is ready. I also have this mirror over there and that mirror over there. I got my makeup ready and my switch for my reference photos. I should probably put my glasses somewhere else, and that's what this is for. Here I have my prop basket. I'm probably gonna need all of these things too. Hey, so this was the behind the scenes of one of my cosplay videos. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see the actual transformation video, then it's probably gonna be up here somewhere. And see you in the next video.